Hi
Is it
guys.
rolling?
I got
Well,
Ajax
welcome everyone.
VR here. Ajax VR.
And, yep. It's been a while for people that really do know me. I've been on a break lately, playing a favorite game of mine called Sail. And welcome my friend Melly Boy, or also known as Melly VR. He's a new YouTuber and he's pretty new to Animal Company. I've already showed him around. And yeah, we're just gonna be playing some regular Animal Company.
Yeah, Animal
But what do you want to
Company.
do first, man?
First, we gotta get the tools.
Some tools?
Yeah, we gotta get some tools. So I'm gonna get a bag. Just leave it there.
Here, how about since you're pretty new, I also get the new stuff. How about that? To make it a little bit fair.
So anyways, we are gonna go in the tunnel.
In what? In sewers?
Sewers, yeah, sewers. I call it the tunnel.
Stupid.
Alright, bro.
And they want to download
really that
Animal
rich
Company.
anymore.
It's right there. It's called Animal Company.
Yeah, Animal Company is like the best game.
So, yeah. It's a decent fun. Sometimes a little scary.
Dude,
because
here.
I just started. What? I have a flashlight.
Dude, here. You don't need that, bro. It's better. No, Glow Stick is better.
Oh my god, it go flying.
Alright. And then, might as well grab a small bag.
Wait, I'm gonna get a stick. Hold the flashlight. Hold the glow stick. Just leave it there.
Could've just thrown it like a football. But alright.
Anyways, now that we got my precious wooden stick,
Here you go.
we are gonna... Hold on. Just leave it there. It's probably gonna stay there. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it in my
Let's
bag.
go.
I'm gonna put it in my bag.
What, just in case?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Alright. Just jump down.
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Hold on. Hold on, Ajax. Ajax.
Go. Oh, there you are. Dude, I got scared.
Look, there's a bomb. Oh, wait, we don't have missiles.
Yeah, watch out for the bomb.
Wait, we don't have missiles.
Remember, if it runs at you, run the other way. Why'd you turn your glow stick off?
I thought it sees. Oh.
No, they don't. It's only if we get too close.
If one of us dies, we have to revive the other.
Yep. I mean, I have...
Oh my god, what
Are you
was...
good?
Yeah. I don't know, what was that?
Oh, look,
Oh my
banana.
god!
Oh, run.
It's the mimic. Oh, and it killed the mimic. He killed the mimic. That was good. He killed the mimic. That was a... Oh my god. Okay. You're lagging.
You want that rocket?
Nah.
I'm lagging?
Just a little.
Bro.
Oh, look. What is that? Is that a ruby?
Oh, you...
Look, a ruby.
Huh? A ruby. You want to try to sell it?
Put it in my bag. I want to put it in my bag.
I got you, bro.
Oh, that's good. Let's keep going. Holy snap, he is lagging.
Plunger.
Oh,
Yeah. How laggy am I?
you're like moving, like you're teleporting just a little bit though.
Oh, bro. Here, swap bags. I'm not gonna wear a bag.
Alright. No, I already have my bag. I don't care.
No, yeah, but that one has the ruby, so just swap.
Just take it off.
Oh, yeah, right.
And plus, what the hell is that?
It's a pogo stick. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Remember what I taught you. Don't touch the lines.
Yeah.
Screw it. Oh.
What the hell, Ajax?
I promise you I did not move.
Ajax. Ajax. Whoa. Why'd the eyeball just look at me?
Melly,
What?
come over here.
Where? What the hell? Do I
Get my
grab it?
ghost, get my ghost.
Oh, okay.
Get my ghost. Yeah, and then look, it's gonna show air. You wanna follow it crazy to my body. I could have taught you this before we started recording, bro. Alright, jump over the, oh, you're dead. How'd you not die?
Did you die again?
Yeah, it's because the stick. I'm gonna just hold my hands up in the air.
Damn it, Angel. Damn it, Ajax.
It's fine, it's fine.
Ajax, why'd you move? Where's Ajax? Ajax? Ajax!
My damn pogo stick, bro.
Ajax, why did you move? Oh my god.
My bad, Melly.
And I tried to
Alright,
juke the monster. I tried to juke it. It's alright. I tried to juke it too. It was funny. That was funny as hell.
Let's go before our stuff despawns.
Okay, let's go, let's go. This time, don't die. I'm begging you, don't die.
I won't. Bro, I died on accident, bro. I swear. Go, come on, come on, come on.
Come on.
Just run, just run. And across it. Come on, come on. Your stuff is right there.
Where? What
Right
the hell?
there.
Why'd you try to kill me?
Where'd my stuff go? I died like...
Don't move.
Where'd my stuff go, yo?
It despawned.
Alright, let's go. Let's kill him.
Oh, bro, look, be back.
Oh my god, bro.
Go back.
We keep moving. Like you
I have
should
an idea.
you should have
I have an
killed
idea,
it when it turned back to you should have stopped when it turned to red light, then killed it when it turned to green light. We're losing.
Let's go again.
You bought me a glow stick? Thank you for the glow stick. What is that? Bullets.
I bought ammo on accident.
You can't buy a gun.
No, those are like 5,000, bro. I used to be a millionaire, now I'm poor. Where are you? Where'd you go?
I'm near
Oh, you're over
I'm
there.
near the sewer.
Oh, what are you doing, bro? Get a backpack. Oh, wait, here.
Oh, so now my stick.
Go get myself a backpack.
Thanks. Put my stick there. Give me my bag. Put it on my back. Don't try to kill it
Alright,
this
let's go.
time. Let's just go. Okay, we gotta move quick.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, yo, Angel!
What happened?
Ajax.
Didn't hear her.
No, Ajax, come. Look what I found.
Hold up, I found a revolver.
You found one? Oh my god, did you die?
Whoa, okay, that thing is smart.
I found a big flashlight. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's called a chunk flashlight. Yo, bro.
Oh, you killed the mimic. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's go.
I found a revolver. I found a revolver.
You found a what? A revolver? Oh yeah, use that to kill the... Let's go.
Since I do have the holster slots, because I'm kind of
A
a research
banana.
point millionaire, Should be fine.
Oh, look at my
I think
glow
that's my
stick.
stuff.
My glow stick. Just throw it at him.
Yeah, I like old yeller.
Nice.
Brag. Wait, no, not
All right, let's go
brag,
before it
this is stun.
before it respawns. Oh look, there's another bomb. Quick before it respawns.
We're fine, bro. Watch, I'm gonna jump over it. I'm gonna just grab this.
Where'd it go?
Watch this. I'm gonna jump over it. You see why I like this?
Yeah.
Hold up. What am I gonna do? Sorry.
Guys, subscribe to Ajax. I forgot to say that.
That's fine.
Okay.
Here's.
Oh my God, this is
we're
what I
fine.
almost died at last time. Parkour.
No, it was the second one. This is the first one.
Oh my God.
Oh, that flashlight of yours is actually so good.
I know. You should have opened the box with me. Oh my God, bro. I hate that, like, jump. It was so scary. This is my... Yo, Ajax,
Come on,
wait.
bro.
Ajax, wait. Oh! I hate crevices like that. And this is the one where I almost died, remember, Ajax?
Yeah, I remember, bro.
Oh my God.
The second time I show you this place.
Oh my God. See, this is the part where I almost died, remember?
Yeah, bro. Guys, he almost slipped with his stick. He slipped here, and then he made
Okay.
it here. He almost slipped.
Ready?
Oh shoot.
Uh-oh. Okay. Ready? If I die,
We're good.
Ajax, we're...
Turn your flashlight off. Turn your flashlight off.
Oh, right. Big leap in
Another
3,
grenade.
2. Big leap in 3, 2, 1. No! I died. No. I hate that, bro. I want to try to get back up. Oh,
I died with you, bro. Let's go.
alright. Oh my God, bro. I suck at that jump, bro.
No, that's fine, bro. That's fine.
Hey, remember that time where you almost had to go? And we tried looking here?
Oh yeah, right.
Guys, this is the museum, or what do you call it?
Yeah, it's a creator studio.
Oh, so I can record here. Yep, guys, I am so tough.
Whoa. This place is awesome.
What is it? Oh my God.
It's just
If it was only zero
It's
gravity.
just an empty space.
Oh, wait. You can still buy stuff.
This is so empty.
Why are you trying to kill me, bro? Why are you trying to kill me?
Alright. Just revive you.
Nah, come here, Ajax. Oh my God, not this again. Where did Ajax go? Oh, hi, Ajax.
Behind you, idiot. Alright, let's go. Let's go back to the sewers.
Alright. One more try. Let's go.
These down.
Hold on, I didn't even get my bag.
Oh, yeah, no, bro. You don't even have your flashlight.
No, the big flashlight I had. Alright, bro.
It's fine. We could get it back.
What the? I set my thing flying. I set my thing flying.
Bro.
Hold on.
I just saw that.
No! I'm pretty bad at Animal Company. No, I am so bad at Animal Company. Never mind. Oh my god. I probably need Ajax for
Bro.
this.
It is this, bro.
Ajax, you threw your stick. You
Watch.
cannot be talking.
Watch. I threw it on purpose.
Sure.
Oh my god. I flinged it twice. Don't worry, I got it. I sent it over again.
You know what? I'll just buy another one.
There's no point, bro. I got it. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'd rather buy another one. I don't care. They're pretty cheap anyway.
You buy it this time.
Okay, I cannot forget
let's
to
go.
press this button, not the A button. Alright, let's go then. How do you push your flashlight back down like that? Damn, it's super.
I need to answer this question. What was your question?
How do you put your Ew, the mimic!
What happened?
Look, it's the mimic!
Yeah, but like, what happened?
Oh, how do you put your flashlight? I thought just.
Oh, these are the tactical hidden slots. You unlock them with research points too, but they're very expensive. I think they're like 3 or 5 research points. I forgot.
I'm gonna take this.
Alright, there's a freeze bomb there, and he is frozen. Hello, sir?
Huh!
Oh,
Did he kill us? Oh, he didn't kill us. He didn't kill us.
wolf flash.
I'm taking this. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Hold on. Let me just put my thing right. Oh, it's so creepy in here. I'm not trying to touch that. He died. He died. Ajax, where are you?
Really, hurry up. No, you hurry up. I killed him, but like I killed myself in the process. Ooh, a stick. Mind if I get it?
Hey, I had that one first. Alright, let's go quick. Go. Go. Oh my god, I keep dropping it.
What the?
Go. Oh my god.
why can't you grab the stick?
Ah!
There you go.
Oh, let's go quick.
In a stack.
Ooh,
Yeah.
another ruby.
Jeez. Ooh, another stick.
I found another ruby. We're fine.
Another ruby.
Oh, I forgot I didn't carry my backpack. Here,
Bruh.
you want a ruby? You have your backpack.
Wait, he's back. Hurry up.
Alright, bro, we don't have to worry about him now. Hold on.
I'm pretty low. Instead of using that stick, keep this.
That thing is loud, bro.
This.
Oh wait, no, that or my. Where'd it go?
It just disappeared on you.
Oh, it's right here, bro. It's right here. Better not disappear on me again. Give me it. Oh, you big monkey.
I threw it in the bowl.
No, you didn't. No, you big monkey, bro.
Yeah. Actually, please don't hit me. You go first then, because I'm actually very low. Oh, you do not. Oh, I'm dead.
You're dead. No way. No way he just died. Angel, did you die?
You could wait there, but I died.
I'll kill myself. We could do it all over again.
No, bro, don't.
Why not?
Because I'm already in the soup.
Fine.
Look, just stay there.
Okay. Bro, guys, like, he keeps dying. No, we made it to the jumper. And sorry for the tracking and all that, like, I'm on a quest too. I can't, you guys can't even complain. But like and subscribe to Ajax VR. And subscribe to me, of course, because between me and you, I think,
Alright, I'm already at the parkour.
I think I'm better. Okay. But anyways, guys, we're just gonna wait for Angel. You thought it was a time lapse. But anyways. Oh, there's his light. There's your light. Hi.
Yo, bro, I fell on accident. You fall here,
Okay.
and you go down here.
Oh my god. Oh, what are those sounds, bro? I don't like those. So creepy.
Yo, what was that? I'm literally speedrunning the whole thing.
Sorry.
Watch. That's going
No, bro, this is a jump I hate. I'm gonna try to make this quick. If I die, you go on without me, okay? Oh my god! I keep dying, bro. It's so unsettling. And he came. Can I press buttons to leave? Please and thank you. Finally. Bro, I keep dying.
Alright, let's go. How about instead of the sewers, go have fun in caves?
Yeah, let's go have fun in caves. Give me that.
We might as well make a lot of money.
Yeah, we might as well, because I clearly suck at tunnels. Hey, Jax, are you still recording?
You mean, no, never mind. Yes. Why? Trying to. Let's just go into the caves like once, and then let's just stop recording. Because guys, we're not. a long video.
Yeah.
You're not trying to make this a long video.
Yeah. But you basically seen me fail everything. We'll post another Animal Company video, right, Ajax?
Yeah, obviously. If it does well. Alright, so
Yours probably might do well.
there's two mimics fighting each other.
Really? Let me have a look. Where's the mimics? There's the mimics. Oh yeah, they're fighting.
There's two.
They're fighting.
Bro, oh shoot, my stick.
Oh,
Wait, I know what to do. Just go defeat the spider.
the spider? Hi guys, my name is Ralph.
Alright, let's go.
Okay then. Nice booty cheeks, Angel.
Is the spider? No, not.
Angel, where'd you go? Oh! Angel! What the hell? Hold on. Chat. Ajax, go to ad chat. Guys, next upload we might do Lethal 8 or Gorilla Tag or other fan games. So I think we should just end the video right here. Yeah, that's it for our first ever video. My second video. Next video we might be playing Lethal 8. I don't know why he's frozen. Lethal 8 Deluxe. You don't want to play Lethal 8? Shut up! Anyways. Oh, we should play Big Scary too. But I'm gonna be posting more videos. Yeah. Subscribe to Ajax and subscribe to me. And according to me, and according to me and you, I think I'm better. But anyways, bye guys.
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm flown out of space. Been too many racks, designer on my waist. Shawty said she feeling me.